Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So myself Arun, and today in this video we are going to provide the solution of this Python homework assignment. This is homework number 5. So we have used auto_mpg.txt file. Let me show you the file. So this is the data set .txt file which we have used to provide the solution. So in this homework, we have around 8 questions. So we have 8 problems in this question, working with 2D arrays, reshaping and stacking arrays, then standardization, then load auto MPG dataset, then regional count and means, and then 6 problem average weight and MPG by region, then relationship between weight and miles per gallon, and the last one, that is problem 8, slender distribution by region. So I already solved these all questions using Python in Jupyter Notebooks. So let me show you the solution. So this is the programming code that I already solved. So this is for problem number 2, reshaping and stacking arrays, and then standardization, and regional count and means, an average weight and MPG by region, then relationship between weight and miles per gallon. These all are the figures. Then cylinder distribution by region is the output. So I will be sharing you this solution in my desktop description part of this video. So you can get this solution, Python solution. You can contact me over WhatsApp or Telegram. So I will share you this solution. I have involved effort, so it's available for $50. So in case you are interested, you can just let me know. I will be sharing you this solution. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.